Hi everyone, it's Jeje here and welcome to Be Colorful! Today we continue with the creation of Halloween boxes using the dies of the Tonic Craft Kit 45. I remind you that the ideas I propose you can be used to decorate any boxes, so even if you don't have this kit. Today's box will be Frankenstein monster. By now we all call him Frankenstein, even if, to be right, this is the surname of the doctor who created this creature. But, oh well, for simplicity, I call him Frankenstein for the whole video. Okay, now let's start creating our monster. First of all, with the main die of the kit, I'm going to die cut on green cardstock, twice. These two parts joined together will be the basic structure of the box. To create Frankie's hair, always with the same die, I'm going to die cut a portion of black cardstock. Then, with my scissors, I'm going to create a zigzag border on the longer side. With black ink, I'm going to paint the part of the box that correspond to the hair. I decided to give Frankie's hair a glossy finish, taking advantage of the fact that the black ink I used, the VersaFine Onyx Black, has a slow drying ink. I'm going to do a heat embossing technique with black embossing powder. Of course, you can also use the clear one. The effect is similar, but with the black powder I'm gonna get a much deeper black, especially in the parts that were previously green. Now let's move on to the mouth. With a green marker, I simply draw a straight line using a ruler. Then I cut out a small rectangle of white cardstock to make a tooth. So I'm going to make a small cut through which I'm going to pass the rectangle and give the impression that the tooth is coming out of the lips. For the eyes, I'm gonna use a circle die cutting 2 circles on white cardstock and one on green cardstock. On the white circles, I'm going to stamp the iris with this stamp included in the Tonic Craft Kit 41. If you don't have such a stamp, you can create a small circle on black cardstock with a die or a hole punch and draw on top a white dot with a white gel pen or a white acrylic paint, creating the dot with a dotter tip tool. Next, with the green circle, I get my eyelids, dividing it into 2 semicircles, a little smaller than half a circle. Let's continue therefore with the creation of the classic nails that come out of Frankenstein's neck. My box will not have a neck, so I will apply the nails at ear height. To create the nails, I cut out strips of paper, 2 longer and 4 shorter. To get a metallic silver effect, I will do a heat embossing on all the pieces with a silver embossing powder. If you want to go faster, you can use a silver mirror paper directly, even with a satin finish if you prefer, or just a plain grey cardstock. To get a thicker and smoother embossing, I repeat the embossing several times. Now I glue the various pieces together, forming 2T. I just have to assemble everything. Of course, scars can't be missing. Since I made a mistake here and I also black colored a part that I had to leave green, I'm going to die cut one panel on green cardstock to glue on top. I do the same thing for the other side too, just to be the same. I take advantage of these panels to glue the nails. Obviously, the same thing can be done directly on the box. The panels are not necessary. So I make a slit with a cutter on both panels. I'm going to pass the nail through this opening. I fold the end and glue it to the back of the panel. I did the same things for the other part. Now it's time to assemble the box. This time I'm going to cut this part because I have already shown this process in the 3 previous videos. So if you want to see it, I refer you to those videos. I remind you that in the description box below you will always find links to all videos of the same series. Also, at the end of each video, you will also find a final screen that takes you back to the previous videos and to the next video if it is already posted, of course. Okay, back to us. In the meantime, I have prepared the tag to apply to the box, thus ending this Frankenstein box. The video ends here. If you like Frankie, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, otherwise he will get angry. I advise you. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you for the next Halloween box. What monster do you think will come to life? Tell me in the comments if you'd like. Thanks again, bye bye, and be colorful!